Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add shortcuts on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you do is open up your Google Chrome. There's a website, so you launch the Google app on an Android device. Next, you go to the website you want to add the shortcut of. Let's say this one, Forbes. Then the next thing I'm going to do is click on it. Three lines at the top right corner actually. Three lines at the top right corner. Click select add to home screen. You can customize the name if you like and then tap on add. So this is a shortcut. So tap and hold an icon, tap add to add to the home screen. So you simply tap on add. It's as simple as that. That is how to create a shortcut or add shortcut on Google Chrome mobile. Now don't forget that when you can add shortcuts to any website you frequently visit. The shortcut will appear as an app icon on your home screen. And to remove the shortcut, simply long press the icon and drag it to the remove option like this. Use this here, it has appeared, so you quickly and drag it to remove, or press it down like this and tap on remove and it's gone. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.